Enter SQL user password to get started, and if you don't know the password, just press enter. You've entered wrong SQL password, try again. Enter number to choose specific operation you want to perform. 1 for adding flight details, 2 for displaying flight details, 3 to update flight details, 4 for deleting flight details, 5 to search flights, 6 to know current timings, and 7 for exit. Enter the number of flights you want to insert in database. Enter the details of one flight. Enter the details of 2 flight. Showing the details of flights. Enter flight number to update its detail. Enter the new details of flight 32. Details of Akash Airways 32 updated successfully. Showing the details of flights. Please enter flight number to delete its data. Details of flight 33, deleted successfully. Showing the details of flights. Please enter flight number to search. The current timings are 22 hours 46 minutes and 56 seconds. Thanks for using Airways Management System. Creators of this Airways Management System are Akash Kumar Singh, Rohit Kumar, and Pawan Meena.